Hello guys, how you are doing? Compliment of the season. So guys, we are traveling. Michelle, where are we going to?
We're going to Paris, and you said there'll be 3 girls.
Oh my god. So guys, we are going to Paris. Yeah, it's so boring. This village is so boring, and Christmas is kind of bored here. So I just decided to go and have fun in Paris. So right now I'm packing. Let me show you seriously guys, not easy to travel with the kids. Like I'll be spending like a week, 7 to 8 days, and my box is full already. Like I don't even know because I have to bring clothes for me, for the girls, and children. So guys, let me show you. This is my bag now. As you can see, it's full. Like this is the biggest size of box, so it's full already. So guys, my train, it's at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. It's gonna be it's a night train, which is 10 hours to Paris. Like seriously, it's so far. So normally anytime I'm going to Paris, I always prefer to take a night train whereby the kids can just sleep because it's such a long hour. So girls, like there is this, I bought some stuff for the girls, though they have a lot of Christmas gifts which we are not yet to open yet, but I need to open this one so that they can use it since we are traveling on a long trip. Guess what's inside, girls?
Some shoes?
Guess what's inside?
Shoes? What? Why are you saying shoes? We don't need new shoes.
Yeah, Michelle, guess what's inside? This is something that you need on the train. So guys, I got something for the girls which is kind of useful for them since we are going on a long trip. So you guys should guess what is inside. Guess what's inside?
Yeah, I said sleeping.
Move.
I said sleeping mat.
What about you?
Same like me.
So let's see what's inside. This thing is very... Then you guys should close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. You have a surprise. You have to close your eyes. You have to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. So, okay. Because why did you open your eyes, Rachel? I asked you to close your eyes.
Why did you cheat? Me, I didn't even cheat.
Rachel, you cheated. Like that's not fair, Rachel.
That's not fair.
Rachel, why did you cheat, huh?
You cheated.
Okay, you can open your eyes. So this
Oh yeah, this is my phone.
Yeah.
This was my phone.
So that they can use it, because normally guys, anytime we are traveling and they are watching cartoon on their phone, it's so noisy. A lot of people on the train will be like, oh, I should tell my kids to reduce the volume. So I decided to get them this headphone. And this is
It's the same like Deborah.
okay. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Same like Deborah.
Come and see. So they can connect. Go and bring your phones. Rachel, bring your phone. Michelle, bring your phone.
And there's a charger.
Yeah, I think we need to charge it.
Yeah,
and
we need to charge it. And after it's gonna make lights.
Yeah, let me see.
Is a headphones that make lights. Mommy, I can take it to my school because this my friend has headphones.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So they just connect it to their phone. And Rachel, where's your phone? This is Michelle's phone, and this is, so you can just connect it. So Michelle's favorite color is purple. Why Rachel is pink?
And
So this is Rachel's phone.
My phone is purple.
Let me see.
Wait, let me go and take my box again.
There's charger inside. Wait, yeah, I think we'll charge it. Let me see.
This is for the headphones. And these it's for charge. This is for charge.
I think we need to charge it first. Let's go back. Don't block the camera. So guys, I will just help them to charge it, and we'll be on our way. So come with us to Paris, guys. Come. I think we need to charge yours. So let me see. Okay.
Wait, can I open it?
Yeah. Okay. And it's even Bluetooth, so that's the good thing. Okay, so let me just charge it for them, and let's. Okay, guys. What will you say to mommy?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you, mommy.
What will you say, Rachel?
Thank you.
You're welcome, my girls. So guys, we're at the train station now, and we are waiting for the train. The train will be here at 9:30. Michelle, are you excited to go to Paris?
Yes.
Rachel, what about you? Your new.
I'm not gonna spoil it like
If
the
you spoil it, you know this is the second time. Do you remember? So this is the second time. This is the second time I'm buying it for you. So you have to take good care of it.
I should not break it like Deborah.
Yeah.
Even I'm not gonna match like Deborah.
Hey guys, so a lot of people are here. It's going to be a long trip. Rachel, what's that? Let me see her. Wow. Rachel looks so pretty. And yeah, Michelle looks so pretty too. A lot of people are traveling. A lot of people are here traveling to Paris. A lot of people are going to Paris.
Mommy, can you?
Ah, ok. Ah, ok. Merci. Yeah, Michelle. We go inside. Hey, go now. Oh là là. Yes. Yeah. Oh, excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît.
On va vous aider. Apparemment. Attendez, écoutez.
Oh, merci. Oh, there's no. Oh my God, let me see. Let me see. Wait, because you look for 35. This is 12, not 35. What number do you see there? Or maybe we should not see. There's no 4 places, right? Yeah, go there. Huh? Ah, okay. Let me go and bring our.
Mommy, I can stop it. Mommy, I can stop.
What number is even this now? We don't know even where. Anyhow, it's okay. Good morning, guys. So we are in Paris. We just arrived to Paris now. Yeah, it's still morning. This is around 8 o'clock. The girl slept all through the night. And right now, I will have to go and search for the train. Wow, everywhere is so quiet. So, yes, we have to go and take a train to our destination, not the long train. Michelle, we are not taking the long train. We are just taking a train that will take us to where we are going. So, guys, okay, let's go. Let's go and look for a tram. Okay, come here. I think tram 5. I think it should be this area. Rachel. So we have to go and we'll first take a tram. We are taking 2. 1 tram and 1 train. So let's go and search and let's go. Oh my God. Today's going to be kind of stressful with my heavy luggage. But
Yeah, I told you.
I don't mind. Taxi will be so expensive, so. Ticket. Michelle, say hello. Why? I'll leave it. Say hello. Come on. We're in the train now. Oh? Yeah, it's very, very fast. Well, let's. I don't know. You have to follow. Run. Okay, wait. You have to follow. Once you see somebody, you follow the person because we have only one ticket. If you see somebody, you follow this person, Michelle. Rachel. Yeah, follow that man. Follow. Run. Oh la la. Wow. Ah, merci. Merci. Yeah, let's go. Where should I take? Yes, we are looking for H. Wait. Hold your sister very well, eh? Hold her, yeah, go. Be careful. Say she is Michelle. Say hello.
Mom,
Yeah? Where's the decoration? Wow, you like it?
where's the Christmas tree?
Yeah, but the Christmas tree is not.
So we are almost the only one here because there is someone far there. I can take this. Wait, I can take this. What? Huh?
You're not talking louder now. Welcome back.
No,
Meet our chef, guys.
No, not the DJ Osmo again.
Okay.
No, fine. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay.
So what are you guys doing?
Today we're making spaghetti soup. So this
No, one by
is
one. What are you guys making today? Let
soup.
Desiree talk.
Okay.
we're making not pepper soup. It's sauce for spaghetti for my mom, and it's us that is making it.
Okay.
Cause we're youngest chef here. So right now, Michelle is removing the peel of the onion.
Okay.
And right now we just finished removing the tatashi. That's what we call it. What are you doing? We don't need to smell onion.
So are you the one that did this thing?
Yes, I cut them, and Michelle also helped me remove the head part.
Let me go and try it in Bube.
Wait, come and remove this other one.
Okay.
No, there's no way you can just leave it there.
Yeah, but you can put it on. You can put it on your body.
Now you hear the crunchy parts. I like it, the crunchy parts. Give me water. It's not going to blend it without water. Give me a cup and put water.
Normally, we're supposed to put 500 liters of water. That means 0.5 liter. Hey!
It's not my food. That is not 0.5 liter.
0.5 liter is here. And that is 500 liter. Look for 500. 500.
500 is here. Yes. Oh! Okay, okay.
It's okay.
It's more than 500 right now. Wait, we have to cover it. I'm not going to blend it without covering it. What's the cover actually? Oh, thank you. Is that? Oh, wait, let me plug it. Yes, cover it. Cover it in here. Cover it. Okay.
Finish.
Okay, but we have to do this together.
Let's go.
Put your hand up here with me. A little bit of your part. Right now is okay. Now we're going to take a set. That's how you take in Yoruba.
Wait, Desi will come. Yes.
Michelle,
Okay.
this is my favorite one. I already see this is my favorite.
What should we do next?
I'm going to drain it.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Michelle,
Comments in the Ellen Shade and family.
wait, Michelle, remove it. Put it up because it's okay. But let's just ask my mom if we need the water. We don't need the water, Michelle.
Let it pour down, eh?
Michelle, come and carry it here, not there. Wait,
So what?
hold this. Put